Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create database in MS SQL Server. Open SQL Server Management Studio. Connect to MS SQL Server. See here, expand databases. See here, we have these two databases. Those are user databases. To create new database, right click on databases, then select new database. Or right click on database, select new database. Or expand databases, right click on it, query, new query. Then also here we can create database by using create database command. Okay. We have two methods. Okay. One is UI and another one by command line. Right click on databases, select new database, then provide the database. I'm giving database name as bank. Next we have to select the owner. I'm going with, see, I have click on browse. See here, I have these many users. Okay, you can select from this list. Click on OK. See, owner is James. And see here, it is going to create two files. One primary file, that is data file, and log file. Okay, see, this is the general page. If you want to see the script, let me show you later. And see here the options, collection settings, recovery mode. I am not going to change anything. And see here the options for this database. File groups, see, only one file group. If you want to add another file group, you can click on add file group. And see the state, database read only, it is false. If you want to keep this database as read only, you have to select S, true. Okay, I'm not going to. If you want to put this database in single user mode, you have to select single user or multi-user. Restrict user means it is not, no one can access. I'm not going to do anything. Then if you want to see the script, click on this script action to clipboard. Now any notepad, see, this is the script to create the database. See, this is the main script and remaining are the options. You can use this command, copy and open new query, and you can execute this also. Okay, so click on I'm okay with all the settings, click on OK. See, new database is there. If you want to run queries against this database, right click on it and select new query. See, database name is bank. And if you want to create a table, just give create table customer number, that is, we can assume account number, C underscore first name, varchar 100. Just I am showing you how to create table in this database. Click on execute. You go to database, expand tables. See here, we have the db underscore customer table. Okay, if you want to add data, you have to run the command insert into, like this we have to. Okay, insert into table name customer values 100. Then select the query and execute it. Now if you want to verify data, select star from customer, select it. See, we got the one row. Like this we can insert rows. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create a database in MS SQL Server. For more MS SQL Server tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.